Hey there. Today we will have some fun with the letter F. You will be a fantastic F star. This is the letter F. You try saying F. Fantastic. You're doing great. The letter F sounds like this. F. Can you say F? Fabulous. Let's look at some words that start with the letter F. Here's a frog. And here's a fish. And look, a flower. Can you think of any other words that start with the letter F? Great job. Now let's learn how to write the letter F. Start at the top, draw a straight line down, and add 2 lines across. Let's draw the letter F in the air with our fingers. Start at the top, draw a straight line down, and add 2 lines across. Great job! F is also for fun and fitness. Let's do some fun moves together. Can you hop like a frog? Yeah, you're doing fantastic. Can you swim like a fish? Amazing. You're doing fabulous. Now let's do a fun letter F activity. We will make a fish using some paper and a few shapes. First, we need to draw 1 big circle, 1 oval, 1 big triangle, and 2 little triangles. Amazing. You're an artist. Next, we need to draw our fish's face on the oval. Remember, fish have big eyes. Awesome. Now we can color the rest of our shapes. Ask an adult to help you cut out your shapes. Next, we can glue on our fish's face. Now let's add our fish fins. Fantastic. All that's left is our fishtail. Let's add the fishtail. Amazing work. Now you have a fabulous little fish. Hooray! You did a fantastic job today. We learned all about the letter F, how to write it, words that start with the letter F, and we even learned how to make a little fish. You're officially a fantastic F star. See you next time.